Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to make a paperclip spinner. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. All that you need is a paperclip, a pen or a pencil, and then a sheet of paper. Now what you want to do is you want to start off by drawing a circle on your sheet of paper and try to make the circle as nice as you can and as sort of as rounded as you can. So I'm going to try my best to just make a nice round circle right there. In the center of the circle, you want to place a dot. Okay, so you know where the center is, and doesn't have to be exactly precise. You just want to get it as nicely as you can, and then you want to divide that circle up into all of the potential likelihood or chances that you might land on something. So let's say I want there to be a 50% chance that I'm going to land on something. I'm going to cut the circle in half. Okay, and I'm going to put this as, let's say, a star. Okay, right there. So that's going to be that option, the star. And then I want the other two to be 25% chances each. So I'm going to divide this into a quarter. You can also divide yours evenly. It's up to you. Let's say I want this to be a circle, and I want this to be a square. So these are the things that I can land on. Now that I've done that, I need to get my paperclip and I need to turn it into a paperclip that points in one direction or another. So I need to take this end right here and I'm just going to bring it out like this, straight out like that. Okay, so we just bent it out, and what we have now is something that will point on in one direction. Okay, now I would recommend that you use a metal paperclip without the coating, because this little extra coating will slow it down a little bit, but it's all good for me. I mean, it's just a little recommendation. Now what you want to do next is, I like to unclick the pen so I don't mark up the paper. I like to put the pen down. The pen is going to hold the paperclip in the center, and all that you have to do is you hold the pen down there and you just flick the paperclip just like that, and it spins and it landed on circle. Oh, landed on circle again. What a coincidence. Look at that. Okay, now it landed on square. And right now we've created a paperclip spinner. And you can divide up this circle into however you want to divide it up, right? So you can make the likelihood whatever. You can have, 10 different sections that you can choose from. You can spin it the other way, whichever way you want to spin it. That's it. That is how to make a paperclip spinner. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.